Hello and welcome to this course in financial accounting. And we begin with chapter 1, and this is concept video 1. These are short videos on different accounting concepts, and this one I entitled The Accounting, the Language of Business. And our learning outcome here is simply to understand why business students have to take accounting courses. Now, I've often heard from students, I am in business, but I am in IT, or I'm going to be an entrepreneur, I'm going to hire my own accountant. I don't really need to know anything about accounting because I'm not going to be an accountant. Well, let's begin. Why do I have to take accounting? Well, accounting is an information system, and every profit-seeking business organization that has resources, and they all do have resources, such as money and machinery and building, uses accounting information. The accounting here serves by providing financial information for profit-making business as well as governments and non-profit-making businesses. The accounting system of a profit-making business is an information system designed to provide relevant financial information on the resources of a business. So that is the background of what accounting is. But why do I have to take it? Well, accounting course teaches you the language of business. Business people use a particular language. And these terms and concepts that they use come from the accounting profession. Why is that? Well, the fellow you have to blame here is Lucio Pacioli. The first accounting textbook was published in Venice in 1494. He was a Venetian monk who took care of the business transactions of many of the shipping merchants, and he devised a system that he called the double entry system. That is, every accounting transaction was recorded in two places in the records. And that same system that was developed over 500 years ago is the same system that we use today in accounting. Now, the language that he used was the language of the day. It was Old Italian. And he used terms as assets and liabilities and equity, revenue and expenses and debits and credits. And he summarized all of these transactions in what he called an income statement and a balance sheet. And so you see, he is known as the father of accounting. And the language he used is the language that is still in use today by people in business. And that is why, as business students, by learning accounting, you are actually learning the language of business. And that's why business students must take accounting. It's as simple as that. Next, we will look at the different forms of business.